Newborn chicks.
There.
So many beetles you can see. Looks like this is a patela mein jaturian. They also makes their holes to live under there. Look at that brown rabbit. It's so fat and also so looks like so. Oh, hey, there are so bees. So they don't do anything. They bite. Mama, let me. यहाँ से बॉटल लेना
नहीं ये लीजिए
मस्त है ना कलर
चला लवकर लवकर यायचं आपल्याला चल 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 मामा जवळ जा पुढे खाली चालणार रे चल ना बघ तू मयूर पुढे गेला चल चल
They are so beautiful. They are rainbow pigeons. Let's see another one. Let's see another one. Wow, so nice. So this is violet tornado found in here. Most time in direction map. So in America, South America, and this is violet trico. So weight of this is 350 to 360 gram. Wingspan is 21 to 25 centimeter. Length is 40 to 50 centimeter. Sexual maturity 1 to years. मतलब 1 to 2 साल में ये रहती है. जिसका मिग्रेटरी रेसिडेंट. तो अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कौन सी है ये बर्ड. Look, we can see they also make sounds. Oh my God! So beautiful sounds. Look, they are gray parrot. Look, friends, they are eating something. Looks like that is guava. Right, it's a guava. This is also found in. They are called eagle parrots, and they are also found in America, South America, with wingspan, length, sexual maturity and migratory resident. इधर आपको मिल जाएंगे. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट पैरट को ढूंढते हैं और नेक्स्ट बर्ड. लेट्स
चले
मैं बताती हूँ पास. आप हमें इंट्रोड्यूस करोगे इंट्रोड्यूस करोगे आप. There are so many of them. You can see there. आप हमें इंट्रोड्यूस करोगे. Looks like they are saying no. Look, you can see. Wow, they are so beautiful. Hello friends, you can see them. They are looking like a king by their heads. 3 up going there. You can see there. Okay, here is the chart. They are called luteal cockatiel. Okay, let's go. So they are luteal and they are only cockatiel. You can see there. There are so many various creatures of parrot, right? You can see they're so adorable. But I think let's talk. Oh my God, friends! Now you will stay heartbroken. Look at that bird. It is called this. It is this. It is called blue-crowned pigeon. I think they are crowned pigeon because they have a crown blue type right onto their head. Whoa! There is another one. You can see there. Let me see you another. Here are the some of them. Whoa! They're so big than a real pigeon. I can't wander out. Let's see the another one. So this is our next pigeon. You can see it is called diamond dove. Oh, they're so small. Looks like a diamond. That's why they're called diamond. But not that small. But they're silver, right? Let's see another. Oh no. The bird flew. This is the bird. Look. And it is called grey Java sparrow. Oh, is it a sparrow? Look, they're so small. They're zebra sprinch. Oh, they're too small. So adorable. You can see a few of them. Here is the another one. Say hello. Hello. Oh. Now you can't believe in your eyes. It is so small. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. Look. From the cage we can see only this part. It is there. Let me introduce you. It is this one and it is called double bed finch owl finch. Yep, it looks like something owl, but it's so small than owl. So here we got a silver peasant. Look, you can see silver peasant. Oh, they're so cute. But they also look like. Oh wait, it looks like a. Hey, don't touch it.
Don't touch.
Hey, wait. That looks like a cock. Cock. No, hen, right. No, cock. Yes, cock.
This is.
Mama. I know I have told them, but it's look like a cock, nah, guys. In the backward, they looks like a hair. Black. Oh, there's a brown one also over there. Doing something. Scratching the ground. Gosh, friends, you can't believe they are so cute. Oh my gosh. What are they called? They're golden peasant. Oh, here we go. There we found a peasant and there are golden peasants. Look at them. I like that one. Who has a golden hair on her head. She can be she is so adorable. I like it. I can't think we will found this bird here. It's sympathy. Yes, it is a bird. It's look like a head.
Ring-necked.
It is called ring-necked peasant. We are seeing peasants, various of creatures of peasants, but they are so adorable. I think they all have a tail on their bottom of their last. Wow. They are so adorable. It is also a golden peasant. Oh. Oh my God. What is doing?
Leave us.
No, it is a golden peasant. They don't keep that one. Wait. Oh, what is it doing? I think they're scared of us. Yes. Oh, yes. Why is it moving from here to there? Do not scare. I will not harm you. Oh, I feel so sad about him. Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh, it is over there. What? They are feeding? But I think they don't want to live here, but they don't get freedom from here. It's okay. Here we found that this one is called Iliad peasant, and this is called Snematicus Iliad. This is a white peacock. But what is right here? It is people, but it is a white peacock. Look, they are white. Oh, there's a bird over there. Which one is that? White and black. Wow, what a view! There is a bridge. When I will go there, I will see. Okay, friends, we are going this side. Let's see what we found here. You can see that it has a big beak. Oh, I can't believe. Are they creatures? What creature are those? They are called chattering lorry. Here we can see a feature of them. They're so cute. Friends, you can see a duck. They're floating. Look over there. Can you see? Oh my gosh. Their ducks are floating in that crane over there. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. Which type of bird is it? Looks like it is a creature of the birds. Ducks, yes. Look at the beak. It's so different. What is he doing? Oh, look at that beak. Oh, let's look at there. What is it called? Let me see. It is called Gala cockatoo. It's so cute, but it is black, no? It is a black-capped littory. You can see they're feeding something. They are fruits. Yes, we will find crocodiles there. Do not push the bridge over there. It's so dangerous for you because they are crocodile. Oh no, friends, we can't find crocodiles there. Then you can see the tiger there. Over there. Now you can see. Oh, looks like it is a Bengal tiger. Look, there are some monkeys. Look at that.
Like Hanuman?
No. Now you can see the hippopotamus. One is the baby and the other is one is the baby and the other is the mother of the hippopotamus. One is the baby. Oh, they're so big. But they're so big. Looks like it is getting out of the water. Look how big it is. No, oh no, it's not.
Oh,
So they live in the water because they cool themselves. But looks like the water is so dirty.
yeah. Dirty dog.
You don't get too much caring here. Right, friends? Hello. You can see some tortoise over there. They're too much and they're sitting upon there. One upon another and one upon another. Look, you can see.
ये जंगली
Looks like alligator. I don't think so. But they're saying that it's like alligator. And you can see over there is a crocodile. But we can't go there. It's danger.